The first task is to complete the attributes and notes on composition. So if you click the red folder, here is your attributes of great photography and composition. You should be able to have your own document that will look like this. And each line, so each attribute, light is an attribute, composition is an attribute. There's timing and there's clear subject. They all have some notes, and so you are asked to click on the presentation, view the presentation on the attributes, and then you're going to complete the notes. And so each attribute has some key things to keep in mind. You're asked to summarize each of the bullet points in the presentation. In the composition, there's so much to know in composition that there is a second presentation on composition, and you are asked to write down, look at it says refer to slide number 2. There's some rules of thumb, some rules in composition that I'd like you to write down. And then the next 9 slides, there are different tips. Try to put something in the foreground. Try unusual camera angles. Lead your eye around the composition, and that's where you write those notes. Again, summarizing the main concepts of composition and of how to use these attributes. These attributes should be used throughout all of your work. So do a good job taking those notes, writing them down, and trying to get them in your head.